Living in Miami Beach means enjoying sunshine, coastal breezes, and year-round warmth. But that same tropical climate can drive up cooling costs if your home isn't properly equipped to handle the heat. Large glass patio doors, while beautiful, can become a major source of heat gain if they're outdated or poorly insulated. Upgrading to energy-efficient patio doors is one of the smartest ways Miami Beach homeowners can improve indoor comfort, reduce strain on air conditioning systems, and lower monthly energy bills, all while preserving those stunning outdoor views. Managing solar heat gain in Miami Beach, intense sun exposure is a daily reality. Traditional single-pane glass patio doors allow significant heat to pass through, causing indoor temperatures to rise quickly. Modern energy-efficient patio doors are built with advanced glass technology designed specifically to reduce solar heat gain. Double-pane insulated glass creates a barrier that slows heat transfer, while low emissivity coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home. This means you can enjoy bright natural light without turning your living room into a greenhouse. Insulated glass makes a big difference. Energy-efficient patio doors typically include 2 or more panes of glass separated by an insulating space. That space is often filled with argon gas, which reduces thermal transfer even further. In Miami Beach's hot climate, this added insulation helps maintain cooler indoor temperatures throughout the day. Your air conditioning system doesn't have to work as hard to keep up, which can translate into noticeable energy savings over time. Tight seals prevent air leaks. Heat doesn't just enter through glass, it also sneaks in through gaps around door frames. Older patio doors often have worn weather stripping or misaligned tracks that allow warm air and humidity to seep inside. Modern energy-efficient patio doors are designed with advanced compression seals and durable weather stripping. When properly installed, they create an airtight barrier that prevents unwanted air infiltration. For Miami Beach homeowners, this is especially important during humid months when controlling moisture and temperature goes hand in hand. Frame materials built for coastal conditions. The frame material plays a key role in overall performance. In coastal environments like Miami Beach, doors must resist both heat and salt air exposure. Vinyl and fiberglass frames are popular choices because they provide excellent insulation and resist corrosion. Unlike aluminum, which can conduct heat more easily, insulated frames help prevent temperature transfer around the edges of the glass. Choosing the right frame ensures long-term performance in Miami Beach's coastal climate. Reducing cooling costs. When patio doors allow heat to enter your home, your air conditioning system compensates by running longer cycles. Over time, this increases energy usage and utility bills. Energy-efficient patio doors reduce heat gain, helping maintain stable indoor temperatures. With less demand placed on your HVAC system, you may notice lower monthly cooling costs, especially during peak summer months. Enhancing comfort without sacrificing views. One of the main reasons homeowners choose patio doors is to enjoy seamless indoor-outdoor living. Energy-efficient options allow you to keep expansive glass panels and beautiful views without compromising comfort. Modern sliding or French patio doors combine performance with aesthetics, offering sleek designs that complement Miami Beach architecture. Added benefits beyond energy savings. In addition to reducing heat transfer, energy-efficient patio doors can also minimize glare, block harmful UV rays that fade furniture, improve sound insulation, enhance overall home value. These added benefits make them a well-rounded upgrade. A smart investment for Miami Beach homes in a climate where cooling is essential year-round. Energy-efficient patio doors are more than a luxury, they're a practical necessity. By controlling heat gain, improving insulation, and reducing air leaks, they help create a cooler, more comfortable home environment. For Miami Beach homeowners seeking better performance without sacrificing style, upgrading to energy-efficient patio doors is a smart and lasting investment.